we close this momentous celebration, we uphold the legacy of BCES for 113 years, where every learner and every art form reflect the heartbeat of our nation. True to our theme, Gabaldon sa habang panahon, isa sa puso ng sining, the iconic Gabaldon building stands as a symbol of enduring education, just as our king, queen, and their royal court shine as living embodiments of dance, music, literary arts, visual arts, dramatic arts, and architecture. Tonight, we empower learners and the spirit of Filipino artistry that echoes through BCES, rooted in love, flourishing in culture, and inspiring generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a resounding applause to His Majesty King Richard Clyde I and Her Majesty Queen Giselle Asher Lee I and their royal court.
To deliver his executive message, let us give a round of applause to Honorable Mayor Nicomedes C. de la Cruz Jr., ably represented by Sangguniang Bayan member Ms. Dinah Lee Blake de Los Angeles.
To our guest of honor and speaker, Mrs. Deborah Darianan Balatico, owner and manager of 3D's Construction Supply and J&J Hollow Blocks and Gravel and Sand, DepEd officials, school heads who are with us today, to the teaching staff and non-teaching staff of Bacara Central Elementary School, headed by Mr. Stephen B. Pastor, His Majesty King Rich Clyde I and Her Majesty Queen Giselle Asher Lee I and the Royal Court, dear pupils, beloved parents, headed by SPTA President of Central, Ma'am Medela Mercado, to the PTA officers of Bacara, headed by Pres Jojo Dominsil, barangay officials, Balikbayan friends, and other esteemed guests, a pleasant evening to all. As much as our beloved Mayor would very much like to attend this momentous event, he extends his sincere apologies as he is unable to do so due to prior commitments. But before I read the message of our dear Mayor, allow me to first extend my warmest congratulations to all of you who made this event possible. I extend my warmest congratulations to the entire family of Bacara Central Elementary School, headed by Mr. Stephen Pastor, for staging a successful and meaningful coronation program. These events reflects not only your hard work and dedication, but also your unity as one school community. I commend the faculty, staff, parents, and pupils, benefactor whose collective efforts made this celebration possible. I also recognize your clear vision in organizing this fundraising activity. It shows your commitment to sustaining programs and projects that will benefit your learners. Initiatives like this demonstrate responsibility, cooperation, and shared purpose for the good of the school. To His Majesty King Rich Clyde I and Her Majesty Queen Giselle Asher Lee I, together with a member of the Royal Court, congratulations. You now carry a title that symbolizes leadership and responsibility. May you serve as instruments of progress and inspiration to your fellow students. May your example encourage others to take part in building a better and a stronger school community. As Mayor, I'm always pleased to see a school progressing and standing on its own. through the concerted efforts of its faculty, students, parents, and supporters. When a school can move forward through unity, it means there is harmony. It means there is one vision and one vision guiding everyone. Bacaras Central Elementary School is an epitome of a resilient, united, and progressive institution standing proud for 113 years. As long as there are teachers who dedicate themselves wholeheartedly to the mission of shaping children into good and responsible citizens of our country, and as long as there are parents who selflessly support not only their children but also the programs and activities of the school, Bacaras Central Elementary School will continue to soar to greater heights and produce successful and principled individuals. Rest assured that the municipal government under my administration will continue to be your partner in building a better future for our children and in advancing the growth and development of the school. In fact, Bacaras Central is a recipient of repairs and rehabilitation projects through the local school board. This year, the repair of your PTA building is included in our plans. Although it was originally scheduled last year, the budget for repair was reprogrammed to support the Palarong Pambansa. Nevertheless, we remain committed to fulfilling this project. Once again, I commend all of you for your unity, dedication, and commitment to progress. Thank you for your efforts and for allowing this event to become a symbol of what can be achieved when the community works together. May Bacaras Central Elementary School continue to stand strong, lead with excellence, and inspire generations to come.
Thank you, ma'am. And to serenade Her Majesty Queen, His Majesty King, and their royal court, please welcome our non-CYA finalists, Brass Wind Trumpet Category A third placer at the at CCP, our very own Mr. Amante B. James. Please give him a big round of applause.
We are proud to have not only a pupil who competed at the national level, but also a teacher who brought us honor. Thank you, Sir Amante. To introduce our crowning guest and speaker, let us listen to Mr. Villamor de Domingo Jr. Sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, in the region community of Bacara Central Elementary School, good evening. Tonight, we celebrate a coronation, a crowning of beauty and excellence. But before we crown our royalty, we must recognize a woman who has already earned her crown through the sheer grit of her spirit. Our guest of honor tonight is a living embodiment of the saying, the most beautiful people are those who have known defeat, known suffering, known loss, and have found their way out of the death. Born on October 24, 1985 in Pinili, Abulog, Cagayan, she is the second eldest of 7 siblings born to Mr. and Mrs. Hurley Dariaga. Her life is a masterclass in the entrepreneurial spirit, the ability to turn vision into reality, and challenges into stepping stones. Her academic foundation was built at San Agustin Elementary School in 1998 and Bacara National Comprehensive High School of Class 2002. She first mastered the art of trade with a degree in entrepreneurship from the Divine Word College of Lawag. Yet she proves that learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, as she currently pursues further excellence in marketing management at her alma mater, the Divine Word College of Lawag. However, the true measure of her strength was not found in a classroom, but in the crucible of life's hardest moment. When she lost her beloved husband, Mr. Denny Balatico, she faced a crossroad that would have broken many. In the business world, we talk about risk management, but in life, she had to manage the ultimate risk, the risk of losing hope. She stood at the helm of family alone, proving that the widow's strength is not in the absence of grief, but in the determination to keep her family's dreams alive. She didn't just carry on, she flourished, transforming her grief into a foundation of steel and concrete. Today, she is the force behind 3D's Construction Supply and J&J Hollow Blocks Gravel and Sand found in Barangay Poblacion 4, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. In the business world, we say, don't find customers for your products. Find products for your customers. And she has done exactly that by providing the very literal building blocks of our community. But her greatest legacy is her daughter, Miss Diane Yvonne Balatico. As a grade 10 student, Diane has not only inherited her mother's resilience, but also a captivating grace that has seen her shine as a beauty queen and a model. In addition, Miss Diane Yvonne is the reigning Miss Ilocos Norte Agricultural College Palarot 2025 and Miss Ilocos Norte Agricultural College 2025. At that point, she will be relinquishing her crown as Miss INA 2025 tomorrow in INA in Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Indeed, they are a mother-daughter duo that proves is a both an inner strength and outward radiance. Our speaker tonight knows that a mother's love is a fuel that enables a daughter to do the impossible. Mom Deborah is a woman who finds greatest joy in sharing her blessings. She is known as a woman who never says no to someone in need, whether it is through providing jobs in her community or offering a helping hand to the less fortunate. Mom Deborah believes that wealth is only truly valuable when it is used to uplift others. Among her 6 are She used to extend a hand and share her blessings to the small Eta community in Poblacion 2, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Another one, a recent tragedy that happened in Barangay Dadaeman, wherein pioneers residents turned to ashes. She never hesitated to give a hand through voluntarily gives construction materials. Truly, her life serves as a reminder that the most beautiful thing one can wear is a spirit of generosity, making her not just a successful entrepreneur, but a true hero of the heart in Ilocos Norte. Please rise and give her a sounding welcome to a woman of breath, a global traveler, a visionary entrepreneur, and a heroic mother. Ladies and gentlemen, our parting guest and speaker, Mrs. Deborah Dariagan Balatico.
Maraming salamat, Sir Domingo, sa isang kahanga-hanga at puno ng dangal ng pagpapakilala. Bago ko ibahagi ang aking munting mensahe para sa lahat, ay nais ko munang ipadama ang aking paggalak dahil sa paglalaan ng oras ng ating kapitapitagang ama ng Bakaran na patuloy na nagsisilbing haligi ng paglilingkod at inspirasyon sa ating pamayanan. Honorable Nicomedes C. de la Cruz Jr., na mahusay na kinatawan ni Honorable Dina Blake de Los Angeles, gayon din sa huwarang tagapamahala ng Schools Division of Ilocos Norte, na walang sawang gumagabay tungo sa mas mataas na antas ng kalidad ng edukasyon, Attorney Donato D. Valderas Jr., sa ating minamahal na punong guro, Ginoong Stephen B. Pastor, matatag na mga guro, kawani ng paaralan, aktibong mga magulang, mga masisipag at matalinong mag-aaral, panauhin at higit sa lahat sa pamilyang bumubuo ng Bacara Central Elementary School. Lubos na karangalan at kagalakang makiisa sa inyo sa pagdiriwang na ito. Isang araw na paggunita sa mga magandang alaala. Pasasalamat na mula sa kinturan ng ating puso. At muling paghubog ang ating pagkakakilanlan na mayroong mayamang kasaysayan at diwang patuloy na humuhubog sa bawat mag-aaral, sa paaralang minsan nagsilbing tahanan. Gabaldon sa habang panahon, isa sa puso ng sining. Ito ay higit pa sa mga salita, sapagkat ito ay isang paalaala na ang gusaling gabaldon ay hindi lamang istruktura ng kahoy at bato. Ito ay tahimik na saksi sa libo-libong pangarap na hinubog sa mga murang isipang tinuruan at sa mga pusong inihanda para sa kinabukasan. Sa loob ng silid-aralan ng Gabaldon, may mga batang unang natutong bumasa, sumulat, mangarap. May mga gurong buong pusong nag-alay ng talino at panahon, kahit kulang sa kagamitan, ngunit sagana sa malasakit. Ang bawat dingding nito tila may kwento. Kwento ng pagsisikap, pag-asa, at pananampalataya sa kapangyarihan ng edukasyon. Hindi lamang ito gusali, bagkus ito'y isang himpilan ng alaala. Tahanan ng sining at pugad ng pangarap. Sa pamagitan nito'y kalaman may sumisibol, pag-asa ay hinarap at puso ng kabataan ay nahubog. Maraming naging profesional, doktor, nurse, guro, inhinyero, at iba pang propesyon na lahat ng mga ito'y Gabaldon ang nagbigay ng edukasyon.
Ngunit sa panahon ng makabagong teknolohiya na nakikitaan ng mabilis ng pagbabago, paano natin iingatan ang ating pinanggalingan habang tinatahak ang kinabukasan? Ang sagot ay malinaw sa pamamagitan ng pagpapahalaga sa ating pamana, paggalang sa kasaysayan, at patuloy na payamanin ang kalidad ng edukasyon sa munting tahanan. Sa ating mga guro, kayo ang buhay ng sining ng paralan ito. Sa inyong mga kamay at puso, patuloy na nabubuo ang obra ng kinabukasan. Sa mga magulang, kayo ang kaagapay ng paghubog ng pagkatao ng mga bata. At sa ating mag-aaral, kayo ang pinakamahalagang likha ng Bacara Central Elementary School. Kayo ang nagpapatunay ng bawat sulok ng gabaldon, may buhay, may layon, at may pangakong patutunguhan para sa susunod na henerasyon. Naway ang pagdiriwang na ito ay magsilbing paalaala ng ating paaralan ay hindi lamang bahagi ng nakaraan, kundi isang ilaw na patuloy na gumagabay sa hinaharap. Habang patuloy inalagaan ang ating gabaldon, mananatili itong buhay sa habang panahon. Muli, maraming salamat sa pagkakataon ito na makibahagi sa inyong selebrasyon. Mabuhay ang Bacara Central Elementary School, mabuhay ang edukasyon, at mabuhay ang gabaldon sa habang panahon. Isa sa puso ng sining at ng bawat Bacareño. Maraming salamat po at isang pagpalang gabi sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much, Mom, for your wonderful message. May we request our crowning guest and speaker to be on the stage, please, to receive our token of appreciation, to be witnessed by the school heads of Bacara Districts 1 and 2, General PTA Presidents, BCS faculty, BCS retirees, and other government officials and guests. Before we're going to award this plaque of appreciation, I will read to you the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Region 1, Department of Education, Schools Division of Ilocos Norte, Bacara Central Elementary School, Bacara District 1, awards this plaque of appreciation to Mrs. Deborah Daryagan Balatico for sharing her expertise, insights, and passion as the crowning guest and speaker during the Mr. and Miss BCS 2026 Coronation Program on February 12, 2026 at Bacara Central Elementary School. Given this 12th day of February 2026 at Bacara Central Elementary School, Bacara, Ilocos Norte. Signed, Mrs. Midela P. Mercado, GPTA President. Signed, Mr. B. Pastor, School Principal 2. Signed, Mrs. Leonila C. Agbayani, Public Schools District Supervisor.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive to the highlights of this affair, the presentation of honors and awards to the 2026 Mr. and Miss Baccarat Central Elementary School and their royal court. For the presentation of the awards, may I call on Mrs. Isolde M. Rivera and Mr. Andrew R. Tawanan to do the honors. Ma'am, sir.